that every day, in case you missed it. There's another one. We are making it back out on another beautiful November day. Perfect day for a midweek video for you guys, even though we're filming it on Mike's birthday. So just hitting some local roads, some roads that he's never been on before, and I actually don't know if I've ever been down them to film, but I am excited to have you guys along for the birthday ride. Short little fun ride with Mike for his birthday. As you can see, it got really dark. Actually just got a raindrop on my helmet, so gonna book it home and spend time with the family. So if you guys like this video, of course, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Subscribe, and let's see where we go next.